Hi, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up SMTP on WordPress. So let's get started. Now, in order to set up SMTP on WordPress, first thing you need to do is to log into your cPanel and create an email account. So I'm going to click on email account, or you can search for email accounts. So when you do that, you click on this create right here. When you click on create, you will select your domain. We have more than 2 domains. You will see the option to select which domain you want to use. So here I'm going to create an email account. So this is it. I'm going to click stay on this page after I click create, and then I'll click create. So the email have already been created. In order to view it, you click on view. So this is our email, admin@demotutorialyt.com. So after creating your email, you come back to your WordPress dashboard. Then you go to plugins, you go to add new. When you go to add new, you search for WP Mail SMTP. In search for it, you click on install now. Then you click on activate. After activating the plugin, you go to WP Mail SMTP, which is from your WordPress admin dashboard. When you hover on it, you click on settings. When you click on settings, you scroll down. You can paste license key if you purchase the pro version, but you can see you are using WP SMTP like no license needed. So you scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see there are a lot of mailer available right here. So you can choose this PHP default here. You don't need to set up any configuration. It's going to be sending emails. But the one we are using in this tutorial is other SMTP. So when you click on other SMTP, here you have to put in your SMTP host, which is this first URL of your cPanel account, which is this. You check your cPanel account, it will be the first URL here. So I'm going to copy this panel 90.blankypanel.com. I'm going to copy it. Now I'll go back to the settings. Then that will be my SMTP host. I'll paste it. Then for this, I'm going to choose SSL. Now, if you choose SSL, this will be set to 465. If your own is not set to 465, you have to set it to 465. So you enable auto TLS authentication on. Then for your username, we're going to paste this email account we created, which is this right here. This will be our username. I'm going to go back, then paste it. Then for the password, I'm going to put the password of this email. This is it. So after doing that, I'm going to click save setting. So this is it. Now, so this is it. The email have already been set up. Now you can use this to send email to any of your users from your website. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this.